Hi there! Today I would like to do a brief video to answer to the request of some of the parents of my amazing kids in the last 3D pen courses that are interested in buying a kit for their kids for Christmas. So the point is that the market of the 3D pen is really full of options, full of models, full of price. And the point is that sometimes you buy it in a website and then it's not available and then it's back and the price changes so much. So I try to build in this website that I will put the link to, that is maddamom.com/3dpen. I try to collect useful information, but also I'm putting this part here to give you practical suggestion if you need to buy today, so the 1st of December 2023 in Switzerland, in this specific case, a 3D pen for your kids in Christmas. So I did the research for you, but obviously go and Google yourself, look for what you prefer. And it's just a recommendation. It's what I would do if I have to buy a 3D pen kit for my own kid. And I live in Switzerland, so this one are based on that one. But I might add additional information if it will be useful also for other country. Anyway, in Switzerland today, if I would have to buy this kit, what I would recommend is this type of pen. It comes in different color. It might be available in different websites. At the moment, the one that I found that is the most, say, reliable and also I suppose will deliver in time for Christmas is Galaxus. So when you will click on the image, you will go directly there and you can check it or look for an alternative. But my point is that I would suggest this pen because with the kids in my classes, this one was absolutely reliable. Was different to stack and to get the kids frustrated, so it's really a good pen, and also has a very big advantage that is compatible with most of the filaments of 3D pen or 3D printer. So basically when you see this big amount of color, they are done for 3D printers, and so they come in this a huge amount that is definitely much cheaper than the color that you might find when you buy for 3D pen, that they come in this kind of shapes. Why am I suggesting you here to buy the color separately is because again, each box of the 3D pen might vary even when you buy from the same website. But here I found like a video that I recorded last April when I received I suppose this pen for the class. As you might see inside, there is a really small amount of color, really small. So when you will just buy the box, most probably the kid will be able to choose just one small project and also do not have so much variety on the color itself. So my suggestion is get this one. My suggestion today, my variety, is get this one from Galaxus, but you might want to check in Amazon.de for the color, so for the refill, the plastic filament, where I found this package with about 30 colors and each one comes in around, I guess, 5 meters. So it's like this bigger amount. I'm not sure, double check, but the point is that the offer was definitely even cheaper than what I bought in the past. I never got such a deal. So you definitely wanted to go with this package of mixed color, but also, as you might see, the black is always the king of the 3D pen project. So if I would suggest the essential is the black, because the black will allow the kids to experiment a lot. So I would say, like, if you wanted to buy just one thing, go for the black filament. If you wanted to, and you might find this one also in Galaxus, so just the black filament is available also in Galaxus. If you wanted to buy also, let's say, a complete package because it's Christmas, then you might want to add this one with many colors. And I don't know if you're aware of this one, and don't quote me, but it's just a suggestion on my experience. I know that when you order from Amazon.de, I mean, this is what happened to me, and the order was between 40 to 59 euro, I didn't have to pay for the delivery, and also I didn't have any extra taxes to pay. So my suggestion is if you check today, or at least I checked this one yesterday night, I hope it's still the same, I would suggest also to get this one, that is the transparent filament. I would recommend the transparent filament for 2 reasons at least. One is that it's not common to come with the mix packages, and the second one is that it's very useful to do not consume too many colors, because you might use the transparent filament to clean the pen, because when you use different color, the second color will be, let's say, compromise a little bit from the previous one. So there is like some amount of time where the 3D pen needs to be to decharge the previous color. And also the transparent, as the kids already know, the kids in my class already know, is a very powerful color to fix a previous project. So this one is my recommendation. Obviously, you can choose just some of them. You can do what you like. I just wanted to let you know from my experience what I would do at the moment. And before saying goodbye and wish you a wonderful day and also a wonderful Christmas, I just want to let you know also that I will add more resources, I will put more project ideas, and I will also try to upload some video to make the kids practice more related to this project we already did. One is already here. They will be able to do like a small booklet and then do this personalization with the 3D pen, and I might add the author. Especially I will try to add this month more project than using this combination, so using like the black, the transparent, and a small amount of colored filament. And I hope this will help them to continue to explore and create. It was wonderful to have your kids in my class. It was really amazing. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.